Today we are going to see about chapter 14, importing C++ programming. What is the difference between Python and C++? So using the Python platform, C++ program can be running easily. So with the use of this Python platform, both combined programming should be written by this in 12th standard. So what is the major difference between C++ and Python? Python is a typically interpreted languages. C++ is typically a compiled language, compiled oriented programming language. Python is a dynamic type of languages. C++ is a compile is a statistical type of a languages. Data type is not required to while in there delegating the variables. Variable declaration, when we declare the variable, it can be accepted. We cannot declare the variable means it is also be accepted. But in the data type required while the declaring the variable, when the variable should be declared, that only the C++ program will be considered. Without declaring the variable, it cannot be program cannot be running easily. It can be declaring an error message, and it can be accessed both the script and the general purpose of languages. But in C++, it is a general purposes only. It is not a script mode language. C++ is not a script mode language, but Python is running both their script and general purpose languages also. Both it can be running easily. So scripting language. So Python is major features can having their script type language. It is called as a script language. A script language is a programming language to designing from there, interpreting and their communicating with other programming language. So it was like a script language. So Python program is what is the reason for creating the script language means is communicating with other programming language, interacting and communicating. It is easy to interact with other programming. It is easy to communicate with other programming. It is easy to communicate and compare with the other programming. Some of the most widely used for script language using in JavaScript, Visual Basic Script, PHP, or Python and Ruby, ASP and TCLs. And since the script language is normally used for conjunction with the another programming. Script language and programming language. What is the difference between script language and programming language? Script language do not require their compilation. It can be automatically running using their registration processing. Programming language require their compilation. When the program should be compiled, the program should be compiled using their some special command should be added from the compilation. Example JavaScript or Python. Example C or C++. Requiring an interpreter, it can be requiring an only compiler processing. Same language should be entered here. The script main difference between the programming language and the script language is general purpose of and script mode purposing can be allotted from the special binary operation created by their any binary operation executable sections will be varying the limitations in the returning by the high level and language returning by the application using by the specific languages. The script languages like a Visual Basic, JavaScript and can be edited in the text editor, and source code can be in their visibility formation. When the text editor can be applied, all text editor can be programs should be written in notepads. In programming side, languages are written in the formatting of data does not need to be interpreted by the any other applications. In some ways, their compiler result in a standard alone processing. It can be the major creations using the programming language. Applications of a script language. What is the major applications to creating in the script languages? To automatic to certain task in the programming, extracting the information from the data in the setting by giving the special outputs. Least code of a intensive the composed to traditional programming language. Fourth point can begins now the functions and applications are low complex in a system together. The complexities is written in a system together by using some special feature. The features of Python over a C++. What is the special features of adding the Python programming and as well as in a C++ programming? Python uses automatic garbage collections while C++ does not. C++ is a statically typed languages, while Python is a dynamically typed languages. Python runs through an interpreter, while C++ in a pre-commands operations. Python code turns to be 5 to 10 times shorter than written in a C++ programming. So C++ programming containing and 15 to 20 line means Python only written by the 5 or 4 steps. In Python programming, it no need to be delicate type of a explicitly whether and it should be in C++ done in C++. Python as a functions may accept an argument of any type and return in a multiple values with the kind of declarations before handling their values. Whether in the C++ programming, it can be returning a some special kind of integral positional content using the C++ program or using the Python values. Importing C++ file in the Python programs. Importing C++ program in a Python programming is called a wrapping of the C++ in Python. So wrapping means text should be wrapping the text while using the Python programming. Wrapping or creating the Python for interface with the C++ programmings are done by in many ways. Commonly used for interfacing areas, Python C API, application programming, interface for interfacing with C programming, C type of interfacing in the C programming, SWIG, simplifying wrapping interface in generators, both C and C++, both generator can be working in simultaneously. SWIG, simplifying wrapping the interface. So another way of now you are using the Python, some special category is called as Cython. C and C++, CYTHY, and Cython is a both a Python like language from written in a C extension. Little bit difference between Python and Cython. The Boost Python framework from the interpreting the file using the Python formatting. It is called as a Cython, CYTHON, Cython programming. Python programming is one of the programming created by the Cython programming. Means GW interface. Many GW refers as a set of runtime header files using the compiling link in the code of the C or C++, and Photon. Photon is a very old version written by the programming language to be running in a Windows operating system. All the W64 versions of the Mini GW is the best compiler from the C and C++ for working with Windows based operating system. To compiling in the execute in the C++ programming, you need to get G++ from the Windows. So Jython C program is a Cython programming and G is denoted as a Jython G++. Allow you to compiling the execute the C++ program dynamically through the Python programming, running by the dynamic programming using the Python programming, executing C++ programming through Pythons. Double click in the run terminals running commands. Double click in the running command, so typing as a Python to go by the folder while Python software is be located. Python.exe, it is location processing. Python.exe files should be located among in the same areas. So Python folder should be located in a C Python programming. Simply you can open the Python programs. So the file should be written file name, the I command C++ file name without CPP extension, without the extension of C++. Python file name C++ file name without their CPP extension, C++ extension, without extension using their C++ programming. The keyword should be entered from the program for the command line in a Python. No name Python programming to be executed. Input mode should be added from the programming. Python program to import the C++. What is the importing program should be written in a C++ programming. Python contain a many modules for their problem. Python allowed the program to be having their flexibility in using their different module in the pan their conventions. With our own convenience, we can writing the Python programming in the different module. Python is the online oriented programming, whatever it may like as a Unix and Linux programming. Python programming what we have to return for containing a few new commands which we can having the node command accessing in basic using the Python programming. Since you are programming in a interrogations of two different languages, we can be implemented in the programming languages. Modular refers to be the file containing the Python statement and definition. File containing the Python code from the .e and .g factorial .py is called as a modules. Module name would be written in their fractional part. We use the modules to break down the large programming into the small manageable programming and meaningful programming created by the module referred by the file containing in the Python statements. Module providing the reusability of code. We can be defining our most use of the function in their modules and importing in their instance of a copying in their definitions by creating their modules. How to impact the module in the Pythons. Some small programming will be written. So import the system in OS, get the outputs and CPP files and EXN files and operation files we are arranging in the AVGRA file agreements. So CPP and EXE files will return in a .cpp and .exe a++.cpp a++.exe file should be returned for extension file. Print the value, the return value should be printed in this area printed. Python's modules. This module providing accessing to some variable using their interpreter and the functions that are interact with strongly with their interpreter. sys.argv. It is a main processing of creating is a list of commands linear argument passed to the Python programming. ARGV is containing the all items that comes along with their command line input. Basically the arrays holding their commands linear argument of the programming. Some special argument for containing in this, some special linear using the programming. To use there you can while the first having to be import the sys system files. The first argumental sys.argv always be the name of the programming at their invoking by sys.arg files. It is the first command files to importing their Python programming using some special modules. Accepting the program in the Python programming to the input in the C++ file containing the Python program, it needs not to be the pausing to because of default value should be added in a same processing manner using the Python values. Python OS module. The OS modules in the Python providing the way of using their operating system depending upon their functionalities. The functions that in the OS modules allow you to their interface with their Windows operating system while we using their Windows operating system using the Python programming in the runtime operations. Some extensions in the C++ compiler command strongly containing the Unix and Linux C commands with their also supporting to the C++ command. In this shell again the command window should be some operational will be executed. Small commands window should be G++ module variable name and variable syntax operations. Python OS module depending upon their operating system depending upon the some special functionality areas. Syntax OS system indicates that strings are connected with a single strings and sending the data as a plus symbols using the plus symbols. Here some plus symbol a plus cpp files a plus plus dot cpp extension file a plus dot exe file. Some extension file should be cpp file should be added, some extension file should be added. Here should be cpp files equal to a plus plus cpp files, ax plus a plus plus exe file extension file should be added here to the some special processing. Thank you.